Thank you for your interest and love the drive wind deflectors. This installation guide is for BMW E36s, which go from 1993 to 1999. BMW 3 Series came designed for a wind deflector, so they go in and out of your car in mere seconds. Start by putting your top down and leaving the boot cover up. Once the wind deflector is in place, the boot cover will close and lock the wind deflector securely into place. Start by tilting up the rear hooks in the back on both sides and then pulling out the front bracket to full extension on both sides. You'll also notice that the front bracket moves in and out by about ½ inch. Next, lower the wind deflector into place, attaching the back hook and the front bracket on the opposite side. Next, attach the wire hook on your side and then the front bracket on your side. The black hooks attach to the quarter trim panel in a spot where the top tonal cover will actually lock them securely into place. When fully extended, the front brackets will sit on the quarter trim panel. Pull them back slightly, lower it down, put the front bracket into the slot just behind your front seat belt. Remember to do this for both sides, and that's it. Now go put your top down and love the drive.